So lately I was receiving a lot of drawings from you all through Instagram, Facebook, emails. Also a lot of you were tagging me in your drawing posts where you drew drawings from my tutorials or speed drawings or any other drawing, and I feel so happy each and every time when I see a drawing that you guys drew through my videos, through my tutorials. So I thought, why not let's make a video on all the drawings that you guys are sending me, and I want to share all the drawings that I've received with you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aayush, and I know that you guys were expecting a drawing for 40k special video, because in all of my special videos I always draw. But this time, no, I'm not going to draw. Instead, I have a good news for you. And the good news is I am going to start a new series of videos which is drawings from my subscribers. Yes, it's official that I am going to start making videos of drawings from my subscribers. But I'll be only sharing those drawings which you guys have drawn through my tutorials, speed drawings, or any drawings which I have made in past as a video, and not a random drawing which I have not drawn earlier or which is not related at all. So only the drawings which I have drawn earlier in my videos and in my channel. Now there are a few reasons why I am sharing only the drawings from my drawings. First, it always makes me very happy when I see a drawing that you guys have drawn through my tutorials or through my speed drawings, the drawing which I have already drawn. It makes me really happy to watch the drawings of my drawings, but your version. It's just so good to see that so many people are drawing through my tutorials and through my videos. Second reason, I really appreciate all the efforts that you are putting in your drawings, trying to improve your drawing skills, and that is why I will try to give constructive criticism at the end of the video by picking any two random drawings which might help you to improve your drawing skills. And the third reason is this might become a motivation factor for you all who are drawing through my drawing tutorials or speed drawings, because not only I get to see your drawings, but everyone else also will be able to see your drawing. So now let's talk about how you guys will send me your drawings. I will only accept through emails, not Instagram, not Facebook or anything else. So to send me your drawings, you need to send it through email at ayushpencilart@gmail.com. I'll be also sharing the link to my Gmail account in the description box. So click on that link and send me your drawings through that link. Now when you're clicking a picture of your drawing, make sure it's of good quality so that we can see it at its best. There is no limit on the number of drawings that you can send me as far as it's one of my drawings. So that was about how to send me your drawings. Now in the video, it's gonna be a slideshow of your drawings, but at the end of the video, as I mentioned earlier, I will give constructive criticism by picking up two drawings from the video randomly, and also I'll be sharing my top 3 favorite drawings from the video. So that's how the video is going to be, and I'm thinking to put one video every month, which will be at the end of the month. But if I get a good response and a lot of drawings from your side, then I might also make 2 videos every month. So that depends upon the response and the number of drawings I'll get. Now the question arises, when will be the first video of drawings from my subscribers? Because March has already ended, we will have the first video of drawings from my subscribers next week. So basically you have 2 weeks in your hand to send me your drawings. The first video will be out next week. I'm already so excited to see your drawings and make a video on it. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so don't waste your time and send me your drawings ASAP. So that was all about the 40k special video. But before going, let me remind you guys that a new month has come, and at the beginning of every month we have a Q&A session. So my next video is going to be a Q&A video. So share your questions down below in comment section. I'll pick your questions from comments and I will answer them in my next Q&A video. So don't forget to leave your questions down below. Like always, let's have a great Q&A session again. And that was all for today, guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below, and also the questions for Q&A down below in comment section. If you're not part of the channel yet, then you need to subscribe for more awesome drawings, Q&As, and obviously drawings from my subscribers too. So hit that subscribe button and also ring the bell to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. And do share this video with your friends so that more and more people can watch this video and get to know about this. Also, so that I'll have a lot of drawings to see and share with you all. So yes, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Aayush pencilart for getting my daily updates. And that was all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my Q&A video. Bye bye.